section, Exchange Online updates.
That's why we came.
That's right. Let's jump into this. So I mentioned this in the last tech update that this was coming. This is now dropped, and it may be applicable to you if you have more than 5,000 people in your business. In short, if Exchange Online detects a reply to all to over 5,000 recipients going to 10 people within an hour, bingo, magic happens. It then blocks subsequent replies in this thread for 4 hours and sends a nice little email to the sender saying, this conversation is too busy with too many people. So this is really nice for big organizations. This is where their starting point is. I anticipate this number dropping to affect more smaller organizations, but this is now out there and is in place for you big organizations that have lots of accounts and don't have to deal with the reply to all storage now. So it's kind of nice. All right, next thing here, an update on legacy protocols. I've mentioned this before. They have delayed the blocking of them significantly until the second half of 2021 for people actively using it. If you get a net new tenant, it's disabled up front. Existing tenants with no usage of this will be blocked as of October of this year. Okay, so some changes to that rollout and the timing on that. Another big update here is the fact that we can do OAuth, or modern authentication, for IMAP and SMTP connections directly to Exchange Online. So that's wonderful. What clients actually support OAuth authentication today? Thunderbird, and you can also get it in Thunderbird. So in other words, there's not much out there that'll do this. If you have custom apps that are using IMAP or SMTP to interact with Exchange Online, you should plan on retooling these apps to use a modern authentication flow for IMAP and SMTP. There's all kinds of reference information and links on how to do that with the ADAL libraries for modern authentication. So quick little update on that, and that's all I've got for Exchange.